Greetings, Mom and Sir. I am Jan Maribel Baruela, 38 years old from Philippines. I am a single mother of three. I have one sibling and I am the youngest. I am college and graduate, but because I'm a single mother, I decided to work abroad for the future of my kids. I worked in Hong Kong for 7 years. I worked in my first employer for 5 years, from June 9, 2015 to June 7, 2020. I served three members of the family, and my duties is to take care of their son, 2-year-old, washing clothes, car washing, cooking, and cleaning the house. In my second employer, I worked for them for 2 years, from September 4, 2020 to September 4, 2022. I also served three members of the family, and my duties is to take care of their son, ages 6 years old, with mental and speaking problem. I also do cooking, ironing, and cleaning the house. I am hardworking and flexible person. I am also honest, trustworthy, kind, and patient. To my future employer, I promise that I will do my best to serve you and I will perform my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless you.